To replace this oil pressure sensor through the passenger side fender well, so where the wheel is, you do not have to remove the wheel for this. I have it off just so that my camera can fit here, but you definitely do not have to remove the wheel for this. There is the sensor right there on the back of the engine. So let's unplug it first. There's a little rubber boot that covers the connector. Peel that back. It's a very delicate wire. It's just one single wire, so just be careful. There's a tab that you can push that'll unlock it. So right here on the back side of it, so it's facing towards the center of the engine. You can see that tab. You can press down on that. Now you can grab yourself a 27mm socket or wrench, whatever fits on there. So I'm going to try and fit a 27mm socket in here. Okay, with a 27mm socket, unthread it. It shouldn't be very tight at all, and actually once it's loose, you can most likely just do it by hand. The only thing to note is you need a deep socket because you actually have to get over this connector. So that's why I suggested either a deep socket or a wrench. Okay, take the old one out. Oil will come out, so make sure you have a collection bucket there. Now let's get the new one started on its threads. All right, I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty difficult to get this thing started, but now that it is started, let's thread it on the rest of the way. Okay, that's snug. Okay, that's bottomed out. And just snug it up. You don't need to go very tight with this. Let's connect the connector back in, make sure it clicks, and put the rubber boot over. Now you turn on the engine and make sure that your oil pressure light turns off when it's supposed to, which is about 2-3 seconds after the engine turns on.